Hey everyone, we've made it to Miami. We got in late last night and got to the hotel just after midnight. So we are here at the Comfort Inn and Suites, downtown Brickell, Port of Miami. I hope I said that right. But wanted to give you an idea of the room. We are here by the front door. We stayed here last night, so we used everything. But immediately, you get the bathroom. Actually, decent size. I would say this hotel is very utilitarian, plain, but it was clean. The shower, you do have Rayo shampoo and conditioner, and then I think the only soap we had was a bar soap. You do have some body lotion here. Not a ton of lights in here. There we go. Cool. You do have a closet area. We were literally here from midnight to now 10 in the morning. You got a safe down there. Not really a closet. You got your iron and ironing board, and that's about it. You do have a microwave, fridge, little coffee maker, your full-size mirror, and we are using this as a 2-queen bed configuration. Smaller TV, couple of nightstands, these cubes to sit down on. The nice thing here with our room, we did get a lovely view of some water here. Yeah, so we are about less than 10 miles away from the port. We had breakfast this morning. That place was busy. Tried to get coffee 3 different times and they were out. So super busy. I will get you some other images of what's going on with this hotel. All right, we're here in the room. We got a couple other updates. So besides no body wash really included, the shower stuff, you were just in the shower. What do you got?
Shower pressure is really good, but it's coming out of the head and of the spout at the same time. It's really loud, but it's okay. End up having to use their shampoo as body wash. Their shampoo and conditioner is not good. I of course have some for the cruise, but it's in my big suitcase, which I didn't want to get out while we were here. I was hoping just to be able to use the hotel stuff, and I did. I'm gonna say it's not great. just so you're aware.
But that being said, the bedding was very nice. Yeah, bedding was great. The sheets were super comfortable. The beds were comfortable, and the pillows, although soft, were really nice. So have to recommend that. A couple of positives. Yeah, fairly quiet. So all right, here you go. Some other features in the room, of course, were the reading lights. You had a couple light control switches there on each side. And then there are a couple of traditional outlets. I did not notice any USB ports, though. Hey everyone, want to give you an idea of where we stayed here prior to our port, heading to our cruise ship. We are in Miami, and we decided to stay here at the Comfort Inn and Suites, downtown Brickell, near the Port of Miami. So where we are at really is downtown. Bunch of high-rise. You got the Wells Fargo building right there. There is a metro station right there. You can walk up. It did look, I think you can get to the port on there. We will be using a rideshare service though. Here is the hotel. And you can see there the Comfort Inn and Suites. It is right off the road, not a ton of signage. I am glad we did take a ride service from the hotel, but they do offer a valet. Nice little entryway, albeit small. Yeah, got your valet attendant there. This is the morning after, as we got here about 12:30 last night, and a busy day here. So you do have your check-in, and then this is their shop area. A bunch of snacks here. Do have some teas and energy drinks, Pellegrinos, Gatorades. They do have a microwave in the room as well as fridges, but plenty of ice cream and then hot pockets that you can microwave up. Yeah, I do have some alcohol beverages, some Yingling, Miller Lite, High Noon, and then some sodas. So that is their little sundry list. The lobby area is quite large with multiple different seating areas there. Here is some of that additional seating. This really comes in handy when there are a large amount of people waiting for private transfers to their next destination. And then all the way back here. And then they do over here, you've got the elevators up to the floors, and they have access to the pool out here. Breakfast is just wrapping up, so they're doing some cleaning. Alright, so back here, like I said, they did serve breakfast, but more of a meeting area. They had some air pots with coffee there. That is their pool area. Not big, but it's doable. And then they do have a restaurant here called Bistro at the River, and this is their bar area. And then along the countertop there is where they had all the food. So food options, they do have some scrambled eggs. Looks more like powdered eggs. Then they do have some of their pre-made sausages. They offer waffles, muffins. They have a juice machine that today had like a guava passion fruit and an orange juice. Of course, your coffee. I think I said waffles, and I've got some video of the seating area that wraps around the back there. That kind of goes around the back, so. All in all, it's been clean and comfortable and serviceable, as we're here for a total of about 11 hours before we head on over to the port. So if you are wanting a at least clean and serviceable restaurant for your port stay here in Miami, yeah, this is doable. Nothing fantastic, but clean and comfortable. Thanks.